So I decided to rewire everything for the fuel, and this is what we're going to do in this video. I took everything apart. The injectors were going that way and then going inside the car, so I was doing a loop around the whole world. And what I'm going to do now, I know that those three here are injectors 1, 2, and 3. And I have here the injectors. This is the positive right here. What I'm going to do is share the positive, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to wire together 1 and 6, 2 and 5, and 3 and 4. And this time I'm not going to crimp. So yeah, I have a crimper, I have everything, I did everything alright with this here. Everything else I solder, but I had a person commenting and saying crimping is better for multiple reasons, but one was the vibration could break the solder. And I crimped, I got my hand and I pull it tight. It didn't come out, but apparently as I was putting the tape in there, it came out loose. So not crimping anymore. Let's do it together. I just want to do a little explanation. Shut up, Mark! So this is how I do it. I have a little document from the ECU. Injector 1 is number 12, which is blue. Injector 2 is green, and injector 3 is brown. So 1, 2, 3, and that's what I'm going to do now. So 1 is going to connect 1 and 6, blue. Green is 2, and then 3 is 5. Alright, so blue, green, brown. I have the brown one, the green one, and the blue one, right? So we have cylinder 1, 2, and 3. And what we're going to do is, I know that this is the original wiring, and I know that the original wiring will hit at least the first injector. So what I'm going to do, for example, for the brown one, which is the middle guy, I'm going to give it some slack, and I'm going to go straight in here, and then I'm going to do a jumper from here to here. Honestly, I could almost like put this together and then just plug together on the other connector, but this is what I'm going to do right now. I'm not going to keep making a video of this all, but since I'm going to put the wiring like this, this guy could be right in here. So I'm going to cut this guy in here. Yeah, that's what I decided to do. That, and that. So this place here, I'm gonna solder all the three together, and we're gonna call the injector number 3 good. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So the one that is shorter goes closer to the end, and the other one goes further. So you see here, it's gonna kind of be cool and flow with the harness, right? Now let's do the green. So the green is the same thing. We're gonna get one here, and where's the other one? I think I need to clean a little bit. No, I don't. So green is gonna be right here. As you see, I need a little bit of wire, and it's gonna be something like this. So again, it can flow, right? I have no interest in putting like this, because I mean, I don't want to bring any wire this way, so I want to go that way. That way it's gonna look, it's gonna be nicer inside, less cramped. And done. We are gonna solder that one too, and it's gonna be ready in a sec. All right, after a few hours, I got it done. So I end up putting it here. You see the positive. It splits on a all the 6 connectors, and then I got here the length. This came from the I don't remember. I think it was the BMW, and no, maybe it was the Supra. Anyway, This soldering here is very good, so this connection is great, and from one point it splits 6 different wires for each one of those connectors. That was a little bit better than I did in here, which end up having one wire and splitting here and here and here, and you know, so it's a little bit more wire, but it's going to be more reliable. So we're going to get all the connectors, we're going to plug them. I'm not going to put wire loom or anything on this video, but it's going to come later. I just want to start and see if it works. So we're going to put the wires on the proper order. Woo! Job done. So this is how it looks right now. I'm gonna run the engine like this because you don't want to go through the trouble of putting everything like that and then taking it apart. So I want to be sure that that is correct. I put a wire looming here. I will put some tape like this. This has fiberglass in it, so it kind of helps with the heat. And it goes all the way down, as you see, go through the route to the router, and I put right behind here, I add a relay. You didn't have a relay before. I put a relay right now because it was easier for me. That's my ECU, it goes right in there, tucked in pretty nicely, and the airbag. Probably you've seen that in other videos, but yeah, so car looks sort of goo inside. Alright, and now we're gonna fire the car for the first time. Bang. Turn everything on. Woo! Injectors are there. It should be rich because now we have all the cylinders working, but that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. There is possibly a new car coming to the channel, and yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much about that. I'm gonna leave you guys curious about that, but this is gonna be very, very cool car for the channel. It's not quite a project car, it's gonna be a car, so it's more like we are gonna enjoy and do upgrades. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, leave that beautiful like button. Thank you guys for checking out my website, www.carmodsgarage.com, and I'll see you on the next video.
Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's a McDonald's.